Introducing OTG, the on-the-go pillow, and the only pillow you will ever need. OTG is the first of its kind and the future of pillows. Take the comfort of your home while you're on the go. Whenever you travel, it can be quite stressful, but most of all, it's uncomfortable. Whether you're big or small, we can all agree that pillows, well, they make the holiday. It doesn't matter if you're on a plane, a train, or a car, or even in the airport. If you don't have support, you're not having a good time. But with OTG, that changes everything. You can take the same comfort that you enjoy at home with you while you're on the go. It can fit into all kinds of situations that'll help you to feel comfortable and actually get some rest while you travel. Airline seats, no problem. Window seats, actually wonderful. Most pillows don't have the support that our bodies require. But with OTG and our patented pillow preen, it's always going to have your back, or your neck, or your head, or your leg, or anything in between. OTG is very resilient. It will keep its shape, and it doesn't matter if you squeeze it or keep it folded for years at a time, it'll always bounce back, allowing you to sleep comfortably no matter what position you're in. The name of the game is comfort, and with our unique foam known as pillow preen, well, we've got you covered. No matter if you like hard or soft pillows, we've got something for you. Our unique OTG pillow cover is removable, but its biggest strength is the ability to turn into a one-of-a-kind solo pillow. You may decide that you want to transform a normal pillow into the type of pillow you're used to at home. Have you ever been at a hotel where one pillow is not enough? 2 pillows is too much? Well, we've got you covered. Just add OTG and transform any pillow into the experience you're comfortable with at home. How do we take it with us? Well, that's easy. Thanks to OTG's unique closing mechanism, it can attach to handbags, luggage, backpacks, or anything in between. It can also be stored in its open format in all of the above. With OTG, we want to change the way you travel and help you enjoy the comfort that you get at home while you're on the go. Thanks for watching. Get your OTG today.